You, honey, for take me out today for lunch. Take me for the date. I know it's every day for me. You're gonna say every day it's yours. What you say, honey? Wife is happy. Everyone is happy. What do you say? What's up? If the wife the wife is happy, everyone is happy. Sabi niya, uwi na tayo, pagod na ako, tama na. Okay, Han, let's go.
Oh, I can't. Stop videoing. Not allowed to. Look at the phone while I'm driving.
Nasa sasakyan na kami, guys. Salamat sa panonood ng video ko. Kahit mukhang uling na ako sa sobrang init dito sa amin.